here, and today we have an awesome unboxing video for you guys. It's not just going to be a couple mysterious trucks, or, well, kind of, but it's something brand new from Spin Master for 2021. It's none other than the mini vehicles, and it's a 24 piece, so it is the complete set of Mix 1. Alright guys, so this was pretty cool. This was a very awesome find for me. So if you guys do know, or if you guys were lucky enough, a lot of Walmarts were able to get the mini trucks in, and basically everything over here in New Jersey, I don't know if it's like on a 3-week delay or so, but we didn't get any of the mini trucks in, at least for Spin Master. We've been getting them for Hot Wheels. I guess they're called just mini series. I don't know what scale they actually are or anything like that. But this year, Spin Master decided to join in the fun, and they came out with their own mini trucks, which are really cool. And there's actually a chase piece, and I'll go over the list once I open this and actually see what's in here. So the way I got this box was very special and very unique. I ended up going to Walmart, and basically they had the box on the top shelf, and the guy just let me get it. Really cool. I kind of know him, not like a friend, but like an acquaintance. And here we are. So at first I was very, I didn't really think these were the minis. The way when I go hunting and I look for trucks, especially if there's like a U-boat, if you know the codes, it's very helpful. So obviously in my area, Spin Master trucks have been very rare. The newest things we got besides the zombie invasion trucks, honestly, like nothing. Some stores were lucky enough to get Mix 10 and Mix 11. Other than that, it's been completely dead for Spin Master. As you guys saw a couple days ago, or maybe even this time last week, depending when this video is uploaded, that the Hot Wheels trucks, the Case B, just recently got released in my area. So hopefully over here in Jersey, PA, New York, it's starting to catch up to like California and everything. But yeah, I was walking across and I saw on the top shelf. I always look for this, so if you're ever in the toy aisle and you want to know if it's a Spin Master box, it's very easy to tell. The logo's always right here, or on the sides like that as well. And it says toys, clearly. Now the way I looked at this, and I didn't really even know, I had to double take actually. So if you see that M and J, that means Monster Jam. The VHC is clearly vehicle. Then obviously on any Monster Jam product, it's gonna have these codes. And then over here, it's basically a bunch of like gibberish unless you know what you're looking for. So what pointed out to me was the mini vehicle, which means minis. I'm not too sure what PAST is. Maybe plastic, not too sure. Don't really know what this is as well. GML, don't know what it is. However, the end of it, the 24, means there's 24 pieces in here. This means 24 pack, and then the M01 means Mix 1, which we did see earlier in today that Mix 2 is in the 2021 yearbook. There's some trucks in that, which I believe is Zombie and Blue Thunder, so I can't wait for that. And then, if this is a brand new case, it should have 24 packs of trucks in it. So that's going to be very interesting, and I'm going to open this right now. I haven't opened it. It is completely sealed, so this is going to be very interesting to me. I haven't really opened anything like this in a while. So, yeah, let's open this thing up and see what's inside. Alright guys, so I kind of ripped the sticker here. I thought I was filming my phone, but I wasn't. But here we go. We're going to open this thing up. Now, I'm 100% sure this is the mini trucks. Now, it would be kind of funny if it wasn't, as I try to do this and hold the camera. Here it is. I'm going to put the camera down. You guys can enjoy the view of these guys real quick. Actually, give me 1 second. Alright guys, so yeah, there's Mix 11. The final mix of Reveal This Deal. Anyway, here we go. We're going to open this now. I have not opened this yet, so this is going to be very entertaining. Oh, wow. Okay, so it looks like we have the whole display. What? Maybe? Alright, we're gonna see. We're gonna pop this out and see how this actually looks. This is pretty cool. Like, this might actually be the whole display. Wow. Alright, guys, so look at this. So I completely took it out of the package. It looks like it's the entire piece here. Wow. That's pretty cool. I haven't had an actual like set or anything like this. Like, I know a lot of you guys go and collect like the end caps and stuff like that. I haven't gotten anything like this in a long time. The last thing I got was the big triangle, basically the Monster Jam logo, those big ones. I was able to find those, but this is pretty cool. So I'm gonna figure out how to, I guess it opens just like that. That's pretty sick. Alright, so I'm gonna put the camera down, and I guess, let me see here. So there's actually 12 trucks here. Now, what I was able to do, alright, yeah, so I wanted to put the camera down for this, but yeah, here it is. This is every truck in Mix 1. Now, I don't know if every single truck is going to be in here, but there are codes for these, and I'll go over the codes in just a second, but I do actually have 2 trucks off this list, which they are actually 2 of the rare ones. And the funny story with that is I was able to get them off eBay, and they were pretty cool. They were in mint condition, and yeah, actually, I think I paid $10, which, you know, you could say it's a little pricey. I think these do go for like $3 or $4 in the store for each one, but I was able to get them. So, yeah, pretty cool nonetheless. And these ones, when I first got these, I actually didn't know these were the chase pieces, but I'm gonna guess there's 4 chase pieces. I thought there was just one with the gold gravedigger, but obviously both gravediggers are chase, and then these 2 are chase. I'm going to guess if one truck is not in here, it might be the gold gravedigger. That's just going on a hunch, but there are 24 pieces in here, and this art is pretty cool, dude. I really like this. So on this side, you got basically Dalmatian, you got Gravedigger, the 30th anniversary, you got Blue Thunder, Dragon, and the Chase Megalodon. Then you have Gravedigger, El Toro, Monster Mutt, the Chase Dragon, and Max D on that side. And on this side of it, you have that as well. And in the back, pretty cool. Actually, it's a really cool display piece. I actually really like this. So let's pop one of these bad pups out and see what we got going on. Alright guys, so we just popped out one of these things, and I'm going to put in the description what number basically to look for what truck, and it's kind of easy once you know. So obviously this will be like the display case inside Walmart or so, and you come in, you know, you grab them, whatever, and the packages are pretty cool. I actually like the packaging. I like how it says Series 1, Mix 1, and I kind of like the overall design, how it's a Monster Jam Mini and it's a tire. Now, one way you can do this is you can actually pick these up and feel the truck, and if you're able to feel what it is, maybe you can tell what it is. But the easiest way to do it, and I did it with the Hot Wheels trucks too when I was looking for the Bigfoot truck, is you basically come here, and once the camera focuses, you're going to look where it says the number sign. See how it says 201-28671? Well, what you're looking for is you want to go straight to that number, and you want to look at the last 2 digits. So this one says 71, and with that saying 71, this should be the purple gravedigger, or the purple tire gravedigger. So I just want to make sure that's right, because I personally never opened these yet. So this is actually the first pack I'm actually opening. So let's see here, we're just gonna slice it right open. Now, I don't know if there's like a poster or anything in this, and I hope not, because I just kind of cut it open, but nope, here it is. So the only thing in here is the trucks, and there it is, the purple gravedigger. Or, not purple gravedigger, oh, the purple tire gravedigger. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And there's nothing else in here, so it's just the truck. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, I'm going to read off the list here. So, okay, that list is right, that's pretty cool. And the list, I'm going to start with doing the common trucks. Now, it will be in the description too, so the first truck, I'm just going to read the common ones first. You're looking for number 64, that's Blue Thunder. Number 65 is the Monster Mutt Dalmatian. The number 66 is the regular Dragon. Number 67 is Max D. Number 68 is the normal Megalodon. Number 69 is the Monster Mutt. Number 70 is the El Toro Loco. Number 71, as you guys saw, is the Gravedigger with purple rims. Now we're going over to the rare trucks, which Overcast Megalodon is number 71. The number that I'm really going to be looking for in this, and I'll jump ahead in the video, is number 73. Number 73 is the Gold Gravedigger, so I'm hoping to get that one at least in here. Hopefully that is I guess that's the rarest one, the most valuable too, and the chase piece, so that's, hopefully maybe we'll get it. And then number 74 is the X-Ray Dragon, and number 75 is the actual Purple Gravedigger, the 30th anniversary one. So pretty cool. I'm going to take some of these out real quick and basically see what we got, put them in order, and hopefully we got that Gold Gravedigger. I can't wait. Alright guys, so I fast forwarded that up, but we were able to find one truck that is the Gold Grader. That is number 73, which is right here. Now, one cool little experiment I wanted to do with this as well. Now, there's 24 packs of these that you get. So one thing I wanted to do was basically look at them and see the odds, and if this actually did come with every single truck in Mix 1, and it actually does come with every single truck in Mix 1. So what I'm going to do now is go down the list and tell you how many trucks I got the same, to see what ones are the most common. Now, the sad thing about this is trucks number 75, 74, 73, and 72, which is 72's Overcast, Gold Gravedigger 73, X-Ray Dragon 74, and the 30th Anniversary Gravedigger 75. Those bags, I only got one of each. So when these come in the stores, you're gonna have to get there pretty quick, it seems. I only got one of them, and they're all right here in the middle. And then, let's see, so for the common trucks, it looks like every single one has 2 packs. I did get 3 of the 70, and 70 is El Toro. And it looks like we got 269. Let me just make sure it's 71. We got 3 of the 71s, 2 of 69, 2 of 68. Yeah, so it looks like everything else is coming with 2. 2 of 67. It looks like 68. Yep, 2 of 68. Alright, so basically it looks like you get basically 2. Ooh, I got 3 of 66, which is Dragon. I got 2 of 64. So, I mean, it's pretty good if you're able to get a whole box like I did. You're gonna get Mix 1, 2, 3. However, if you're on the lookout, it looks like the rare pieces or the chase pieces are going to be pretty difficult to find. So there's that. And the one thing I wanted to end this video is just to open the gold chase piece. What number was that? 73. So where is number 73? Here it is. Now, if I open this and it's not the Gold Gravedigger, I'm gonna laugh. I am really gonna laugh. So here it is right here. Now, I am using scissors, but you honestly could probably just tear these things open, which I'm gonna try to do right here. Okay, it does work. I was going to say maybe it didn't work. Now, I'm going to hope it's the Gold Gravedigger. Please let it be the gold one. That'd be funny if it wasn't. It does feel like a Gravedigger, though. And here it is. Is it gold? It is gold. Alright. So, that's going to do it. I kind of like these things. They're all plastic, too, by the way. And not really bad. Pretty cool. I know these are going for a lot of money on eBay right now. It's pretty crazy, but especially the gold one. But yeah, all I gotta say is if your Walmart gets a lot of these in, good luck to you. If you don't see them and you really want the gold piece, you're really gonna have to dig for it, I guess, or at least hunt it down. But nonetheless, really cool. I like these minis. I can't wait to see Series 2 of them, and I'm really happy I got these fairly quickly, to be honest. And I do have some doubles, so if you guys do need any, don't be shy to hit me up, or I'll post in the Monster Jam collecting group if you guys are looking out for these. But sadly I only got one of all the rares, but yeah, I hope you guys like them. These things are really cool, really light, and it's going to be interesting to see what we can do with these things. But with that being said, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys very shortly in another video.